Hey everybody, this explainer is brought to you by OC Options Trading Academy. Are you tired of getting whipsawed by the market? Sick of buying at the top and selling at the bottom? Well, let me tell you, that's why we're diving headfirst into the wild world of momentum indicators. We're talking about the secret sauce, the magic beans, the indicators that separate the trading titans from the market tourists. These bad boys can help you gauge the speed and strength of price moves, spot potential reversals before they knock you down, and confirm trend continuations so you can ride those waves like a Wall Street surfer. So buckle up, Buttercup, and get ready for a wild ride. We're about to unlock the power of momentum indicators. Welcome to our deep dive into the top 5 momentum indicators every trader should know. These tools can help you gauge the speed and strength of price moves, spot potential reversals, and confirm trend continuations. First up, we've got the MACD. This thing is like a Swiss Army knife for traders. It's got multiple signals, it's easy to use, and it can help you make sense of this crazy market. We're talking about identifying buy and sell signals with the signal line crossover, spotting potential trend changes with that zero line crossover, and watching for those divergences that scream opportunity. But wait, there's more. Don't just slap the MACD on a chart and call it a day. You've got to use it with volume, see how it looks on different time frames, and combine it with price action for the ultimate trading edge. Think of it like this. The MACD is your quarterback, but you need the whole team to win the game. Next up is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. This bad boy tells you if a stock is getting too hot to handle or if it's been beaten down like a neglected stepchild. We're talking about identifying those overbought and oversold conditions before they snap back and leave you with whiplash. But the RSI isn't just about extremes. It's also a fantastic tool for spotting divergences, those telltale signs that the crowd is wrong and a reversal is brewing. And don't forget about that magical 50 line. Listen, the RSI is like a fuel gauge for your trades. It tells you when to hit the gas and when to slam on the brakes. Now let's talk about the stochastic oscillator. This indicator is all about timing those short-term reversals and riding those waves for quick profits. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly when the buyers are exhausted and the sellers are ready to pounce. We're talking about using %K and %D crossovers to spot potential turning points, keeping an eye on those overbought and oversold levels for extreme moves, and of course watching for divergences that signal a change in momentum. The stochastic oscillator is your go-to tool for scalping those quick profits and staying one step ahead of the game. Now let's talk about the ADX, the Average Directional Index. This indicator tells you one thing and one thing only. How strong is the trend? Is it a raging bull or a whimpering bear? The ADX cuts through the noise and gives you the cold, hard truth. We're talking about interpreting ADX values above 25 as a sign of a strong trend, while values below 20 suggest a weak or ranging market. And don't forget about those plus DI and DI lines. When they cross, it's like a starting pistol for a new trend. The ADX is your trend-following compass, guiding you toward the biggest moves in the market. Last but not least, we've got the Awesome Oscillator, and it lives up to its name. This indicator helps you spot momentum shifts and potential reversals with its unique patterns. We're talking about the saucer, the zero-line crossover, and the twin peaks. These patterns are like flashing neon signs pointing you towards trading opportunities. But hey, there's a whole world of momentum indicators out there. We've got the rate of change, ROC, for measuring the speed of price moves, and the Chanda Momentum Oscillator, CMO, for identifying overbought and oversold conditions. Listen, the key is to find the indicators that resonate with your trading style and use them like a pro. So there you have it, folks. The top momentum indicators that can take your trading to the next level. Remember, no single indicator is foolproof. Always combine signals with broader market context, price action, and volume profiles. Think of these indicators as tools in your trading toolbox. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, would you? The same goes for indicators. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses. So do your homework, experiment, and find what works best for you. Adjust settings, test them out, and remember, The most important indicator of all is your own trading discipline. Join our Options Trading Academy to learn more.